evening, Viva. Welcome to our Globe TV viewers. Breaking news. Yeah, tour operators and a company which owns the New Zealand Iceland for a volcanic eruption killed 22 people and wounded many others have been fined 1.6 billion and ordered to pay victims and surviving families 6.2 million in compensation. The district court in Auckland handed down its sentence on Friday, ending a criminal prosecutions brought by WorkSafe, New Zealand's health and safety regulators, to seek justice for 47 tourists who were on Wakahari or White Iceland on December 9, 2019. The island, 48 kilometers of New Zealand's North Island, was once a popular tourist destination for those wanting to trek up the slopes of an active volcano. The weeks-long trial held last year revisited horrifying testimony of how the Iceland turned into an oven for the holidaymakers on that fateful days as the volcano erupted. Survivors cured by severe burns testified against various companies including Wakahari Management Limited, which owned the island, accusing them of failing to warn them about the risks. On Friday, Judge Evangelos Thomas found both Wakahari Management Limited and the tour operators had failed to conduct adequate risk assessment, breaking health and safety laws with devastating consequences. He said the operators had failed to seek advice from volcanological experts and failed to appreciate the unpredictability of an eruption, leading to an incorrect assessment of risk mitigation. The owner of the island, meanwhile, failed to make sure the operators had examined the risks properly, the judge added. Wakahari Management Limited, owned by brothers Andrew, Peter and James Bartley, was convicted after trial, having previously pleaded not guilty to a charge under the country's Health and Safety at Work Act. They were fined 636.034 New Zealand money and ordered to pay a reparation of 2.9 million in total, the most substantial amount of all the defendants in the case. Thomas noted that all defendants have either stopped trading, have no assets, were in liquidation, or were in a weak financial position. For Wakahari Management Limited, which claims to have no assets, the judge said the Bartley's family appeared to have profited handsomely from the tour operation, even though he cannot order shareholders to pay out of their own pockets, but he warned there may be no commercial basis for doing so, but many would argue there is an inescapable moral one. Behind this report, Globe TV, Delhi, Bharat.